Lesson day, everyone. Good morning or good day, grade 12 students. Welcome to our practical research 2 subject. Our lesson for today is about the characteristics of a good research question. Research problem and research questions. The research questions help clarify and specify the research problem. They are also considered as sub-problems of your research problem and are informative in nature. They specify the method of collecting and analyzing data and the type of data to be collected when exploring a quantitative research problem. Characteristics of a good research questions. Once you have already enumerated your research questions for your study, it is important that you consider its quality to answer and explain your research problem. The following are good characteristics of research questions, as described by Franco and Wallen on 2020. Feasible. The number one characteristic is feasible. Consider the amount of time, energy, money, respondents, and even your current situation as a student researcher. If the research problem is possible, is the research problem possible? Will it not spend unreasonable amount? Consider these examples. How do parents feel about the blended learning modality for elementary learners? And how would giving each learner their own laptop to be used in the blended learning modality affect their performance tasks? The first example is definitely a more feasible research question. Considering the resources, it is more possible to gather the data needed to answer the question. Next, it must be clear. The clarity of how the questions are stated lead to agreement of meaning of the readers of your study. Since your research questions are also considered as the main focus in the gathering and analyzing of the data, it is therefore very important that these are stated clearly. Significant, as if your research questions are relevant or important to us. Will answering these questions provide an additional contribution to address the given research problem? In other words, are the research questions really worth investigating? At this point, you do not just consider the time and money that you will spend, but more importantly, the value of what you are trying to investigate. So aside from the reason that your chosen research problem is within your interest, you should also provide a sound justification of your choice as a researcher. Next, ethical. Always consider the welfare of the people, animals, or whosoever are involved in your study. Look into ways of answering the research questions without inflicting physical and psychological harm to persons involved. That's all for today, and thank you.